Hey, good afternoon and welcome. This video is especially for my male audience, men looking to enhance their sex life, improve their health, and feel more confident overall. Today, I want to share something powerful with you. It's called Nitric Boost, a supplement that's been making a real difference for men in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond. Whether you're aiming to improve blood circulation, experience firmer erections, or simply support your general health, Nitric Boost could be just what you need. Quick heads up before we go further, I've added the official link to Nitric Boost's website in the description below, along with a special discount coupon just for viewers of this video. Please don't buy this from unofficial sites. Only the official page offers the authentic formula and the guaranteed results you're looking for. Now, back to it. What really sets Nitric Boost apart is how effectively it enhances blood flow. This happens thanks to a blend of high-quality ingredients like ginkgo biloba, dong quai, horny goat weed, beetroot powder, and essential vitamins. These elements are specifically chosen for their ability to support cardiovascular function and improve circulation. When taken consistently, they work by targeting the endothelial cells, the lining of your blood vessels, which play a critical role in managing blood pressure and vascular health. One of the key effects here is the natural stimulation of nitric oxide in your body, a compound essential for vasodilation or the widening of blood vessels. This expansion allows more blood to flow freely through your body, including to your sexual organs, which naturally supports stronger and longer-lasting erections. But Nitric Boost isn't only about intimacy, it also improves oxygen and nutrient delivery to your muscles, heart, and brain, which means better vitality and overall well-being. Men using Nitric Boost have shared how much better they feel, from improved performance in the bedroom to enhanced stamina, mental clarity, and heart health. And the best part? It's 100% natural. No GMOs, no chemicals, no hidden risks. Just follow the treatment consistently to unlock real results. And here's something that adds extra peace of mind. Nitric Boost comes with a money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your results, you can easily request a full refund through the official website. So go check it out for yourself. The link is right below, along with that exclusive discount. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you take this step toward feeling better, stronger, and more energized. Take care, and I'll see you next time.